Do you know how to speak at the doctors? Do you know how to talk about your symptoms? Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to practice a wonderful conversation at the doctors. Are you ready? Let's go. Hello, come in and sit down. What seems to be the matter? Well, I haven't felt very well for a few days. I have a bit of temperature and I feel terrible. I have a stomach ache as well. Have you been feeling nauseous? Yes, I have vomited a few times. Let me have a look at you. Your glands are swollen. Do you have a sore throat? Yes, I do actually. Have you eaten anything which might disagree with you? No, I don't think so. Oh, I went to a barbecue a few days ago and the chicken was a little bit undercooked. It could be that, or just something that was left out of the fridge for too long. I think it was the chicken. I started feeling sick that night. Well, you should get some rest and I'll give you something that will help you with the stomach and diarrhea. Drink plenty of liquids and just take things easy for a while. I'll write you a prescription. Thank you. Can I get the prescription filled here? No, sorry. You have to take the prescription to a pharmacy. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye. Goodbye. If you like the video so far, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's talk about some expressions. What seems to be the matter? It means what's the problem? I have a temperature means my body temperature is above 38 degrees, or you can say I have a fever. I have a stomach ache means I have a pain in my stomach. I feel nauseous means I want to throw up or vomit. My glands are swollen. Gland is part of the body that makes chemicals. Swollen means larger than usual. I have a sore throat means my throat is red and painful. Undercooked means not cooked very well. Diarrhea is a kind of illness that your body's solid waste is more liquid and you have to go to the toilet a lot. Prescription is a piece of paper on which a doctor writes the medicine. Can I get the prescription filled here means can I get the medicine here. Pharmacy means a store in which medicines are prepared and sold. You can say pharmacy or drugstore. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If you like this video, watch at the pharmacy and other videos. Take care.